Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Kia Optima door with a key. Sometimes, your key fob battery might be dead, or you simply prefer using the physical key. This simple process ensures you can always access your vehicle, even in unexpected situations. It's a fundamental skill for any Kia Optima owner, providing peace of mind and reliable entry. Let's get started with the first step. First, locate the keyhole on your Kia Optima. It's usually integrated into the driver's side door handle, often subtly placed. On some models, there might be a small, discreet cover that blends with the handle's design. If you see one, gently pry it off to expose the keyhole. This ensures you have a clear path for inserting your physical key, preparing for the next step. Once the keyhole is visible, take your physical key and insert its metal blade fully into the opening. Ensure it's seated all the way in. Then, with a firm but gentle hand, turn the key clockwise. A turn of about 1/4 or 90 degrees is usually sufficient. You should hear a satisfying click, indicating that the door's locking mechanism has successfully disengaged. This confirms your car is now unlocked. After hearing the click, simply pull the door handle and your Kia Optima door will open. This manual method is incredibly useful, especially if your key fob battery dies unexpectedly. It's a reliable backup for gaining entry. Consider practicing this once in a while to ensure you're comfortable with the process. Knowing how to do this provides a great sense of security and independence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.